Morning guys, today is our day off. Hulog yung aking ano. So natid na ni Mr. si Georgie. Habang di pa mainit sa garden, didigan ko lang yung halaman kasi yung nabili kong halaman namin last time, naglutay-tay nung isang araw kasi nakalimutan ko ba nadiligan. Ang bilis pala naglutay-tay. Maglalaba. Sulitin yung yung init ba? Mamalansya tayo, mamalansya. Maaga tayo mamalansya kasi alis kami mamaya ni Sir. Today naka-appointment yung aking dashcam. So, let's do and get productive on my day off. So, dito talaga guys, kailangan gawin mga dapat gawin, oy. Hindi pwedeng petiks. So, sabi ni Mr. priority ko daw iron yung short sleeve uniform niya. So, I'm sure sabihin naman ni Mr. don't overdo it. Ang init, ba yan? Ito yung isa sa pants natin na naman nung nag-ukay-ukay kami guys. So, i-try ko siyang i-fold lang. Bago to Mark & Spencer brand. Kasi nakabili ako nito sa Shein. Gawa natin ng tea guys para upo tayo sa garden. Sulitin natin yung vitamin D. Tingnan niyo to guys. Ito na lang no? Kumpul-kumpul. Ito sa kabila maganda to Yan. Ganda. Ayan, alis na tayo guys. Punta kami sa Whole Foods para ikabit yung dashcam. Tapos depende sa time kung oras kami matapos, diretso kami sa school ni Georgie. Let's go. Si Mr. mag-drive. So on the way na kami sa guys, sa Whole Foods. How many minutes study?
15
minutes. So hopefully walang traffic. Tapos sana it won't take too long now because
an hour.
Is it an hour?
Yeah, thereabouts.
Okay.
Depends how good the guy is.
Yeah. So let's go. Yeah. Put the dashcam. Front and rear dashcam.
In your new car.
Yeah.
So you fit and repair.
Okay.
So.
Okay, we're here now, guys.
Yeah, we'll go inside.
Yeah. You be careful, you don't scratch your glasses. Nandito na tayo guys. Oh my goodness, uy. Basta yung bilis ng sasakyan. Pag hinahangin yung damit ko, kikita yung ating legs. What we do? What are you saying? What's this one?
That's
this
the
is
rear
for
window.
the heat.
See, look.
When it's too
It's
hot,
like a
no. Net, yeah, you just close.
Some suckers.
Yeah. No, you need to put
But you've got to
inside.
measure the window.
But it will tell you, no?
Yeah, and see these?
What's that one?
These are, you open the window put that in like that, and then shut the window, and it allows the air to go through when your windows are shut, when your car's locked.
Okay.
It's normally used for dogs. See, look, dog cover.
Yeah. Alright. So, you wanna walk around now?
Yeah, we'll have a look at. You should have all of that in your car.
So, nagtitingin kami ng ano guys, accessories para sa sasakyan. So, yan guys. Then, ang search mo lang yung ano, lagay mo lang yung car registration mo. Malalaman mo kung anong type of oil ang kailangan. 5W30
In
C3, that's right.
Huh?
That's the... Ay, ang tigulang, nag-elevator. Mas mabilis yung hagdanan eh. Lalalala. Gusto daw niya magtingin ng bike. Sabi niya, ito nga, pag mag-ano, tingin-tingin ng clothes ako, tingin-tingin ako ng bike.
I'll show you the bike I like.
Which one? The one?
No. Oh, this one. And this one's good.
Cheaper, 100 pound.
Okay. You can adjust the seat down or like that. See this? This comes up.
Oh, that's better.
So it might be an old man, but that's a good bike for me.
Yeah, so you can sit up straight. So instead of walking, just go ride bike around the village.
Yeah, and Georgie can come with me.
Yeah. You can see at the back.
No, she can ride her bike.
Yeah.
But you'd have to buy it for me.
Yeah, I can. I can pay monthly.
No, I don't want you paying monthly.
I don't have that money in my bank.
I mean, say now.
Silipin natin guys. Inumpisahan na nila yung ano, pagkabit. So habang naghintay kami guys, punta kami sa Dunelm mag-lunch. The entrance is on the other side now. Yeah, I know. Oh, you got sweaty hands
No,
no?
it's you. It's like your daughter.
Si Daddy at si Georgie guys, pawisin yung kamay nila parehas. Tapos sa akin, tinutulak ako daw yung pawisin.
No, it's you.
Na me. Init kaayo. Ito na tayo sa ano guys, Dunelm. You want to put 2 plants in the front too?
Somebody will nick them.
No, of course not. It's plastic.
Yeah, but not yet. I've got no money left on
65. It's
me.
expensive.
I've got no money.
Ang daming magagandang ano guys. Home stuff. Look at this color of the bedsheet, Daddy. Nice. This one is nice, huh?
I like the grey and white.
No, I prefer bright color, no?
This grey and white's great.
This one, oh. This one is nice, Daddy. Oh.
No, don't like that.
Cotton. We should get
That's
cotton.
granny stuff. Look,
Brown stuff. Oh, so flowery.
you see like bright?
That's too bright naman.
I get a headache. Georgia like that. The flowers are going the wrong way. That's because they've turned it.
Yeah. It's nice and cotton, but that's expensive, guys. No.
Wow, look at that one. That's not so bad.
No, that's horrible. Buang mo na siya. Mahal to, mahal. Alright. Wala lang, ganda lang ng mga ano, beddings. I got tissue here. Thank you.
For what?
For this one.
Being wonderful.
That's my dinner. My lunch pala. Ayan yung kay Mr. With salad na siya guys. So, ganda ng ano no, simple lang. How much this one?
£20 and something pence. So basically £20, £10 each.
Okay.
Expensive.
Yeah.
That and that.
That's right, everything.
Yeah.
So after namin mag-lunch guys, tumawag agad yung nagkabit ng ating ano, ng dashcam. Tapos na daw, sabi 2 hours. Kaya pabalik na tayo sa Halford. Uy, ano ba yan? Narinig niyo yun?
Utot.
Utot. Araw-araw. Unang masusunog yung ating noo kasi ang laki ng noo. Ang bilis talaga niya maglakad guys. Lagi talaga akong naiiwan. Hingalin ka nito eh. Ang lalaki pa naman ang hakbang. All sort out guys. Nakakonect na pati yung app sa phone. So i-park lang ni daddy sa parking space. Tapos balik tayo sa loob bili ng accessories. So tapos na tayo namili ng accessories guys. So bumili ako nito oh. Para pang mag-charge sa iPad ni Georgie. Tapos, bumili din ako ng oil for the car. Oh, ang init, no? Tapos, itry natin yung sun visor na nabili natin. So, yung accessories cost me 45 pounds. Expensive. Uy, lahat talaga expensive na ano. Pag hindi convert, parang mura lang pakinggan, no? 45 pounds. Pero mahal na yan dito, guys. 45 pounds. Come on, let's try it. Is that perfect?
Come on, use your hand. Right.
Oh, perfect.
Then that.
And that.
No, it's too. You got to put it up, right?
Yeah, what's this one for?
That's when you fold it, you tie it together.
Ah, okay.
Right.
All right, that's good enough.
Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Right.
You put the other way around because the curve is in the bottom.
Okay. Turn it over there.
So either way I can put it. It's like both sides. See?
See now you can put it up
See?
and then
Okay na yan.
yeah.
Yeah, okay na yan. Okay.
Right. We
Good.
can
All good. Now we can go. So ayan po ating dashcam guys.
make it like that.
Init.
There you go.
Ay,
don't
it's here
need
pala.
it. Don't
You
need
don't
it.
need it?
Well, you've got something that takes you to school.
We're going straight to school now?
Well, where else are you going to go?
Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, let's go straight to school because if we're going back home, we might stay stuck in the traffic.
Yeah.
Let me try it.
Do it right. Straighten it up.
Yeah.
Right. Now, plug. That's from the house. That's mine.
This one?
Yeah.
No.
I brought that from the house.
Of course not. That's
Oh
the
no,
one.
these ones from the house.
See?
This is your car. Where's your other one?
I put in the...
Right, take it out. No, use it sideways. Because they're the high, they're the speed 2.4 amp. They're speedier. They're quicker.
I don't think if... Oh, yeah. See?
That's fast charge.
Is that fast charge?
Yeah, 2.4 amp is fast charge.
Ah, okay. So I can still plug this one straight. This one is just for George's
You
iPad.
don't listen, do you? I said plug them in the side
Right
one.
side.
There.
What's on the top?
There's a 2 amp. It's not fast. It's not fast charge. 2.4 amp fast charge. Right, that's the spare one, just in case you need anything else.
Ah, okay.
This,
Alright. So, that's it.
just plug it in, make sure it's working.
This is cool. Guys, cheers. Cheers. Ang sarap. So, kasi maaga pa guys, meron kaming 1 hour and 30 minutes pag susunduin si Georgie. So, hindi na kami umuwi kasi isang oras din yun. Free wifi. So, decide na lang kami, diretso kami dito kasi malapit lang yung pinuntahan namin dito sa school ni Georgie. Tapos, naghinto kami, nagpagasolina ako ng sakyan ko kasi Sunday, punta kami sa bahay ng sister-in-law ko. Doon kami mag-lunch or mag-dinner. Hindi pa namin sure kung anong oras daw. Hindi ko sure kung anong oras kami pupunta. Kasi time is not confirmed yet. Bakit?
I meant to take my coins out of my car for the fate.
I got cash. It's alright.
Yeah, but coins, they need coins. Because it's a pound for this one, a pound for this one, a pound for this one. Do you know what I
Do you
mean?
wanna ask them if they got change?
They might have a tap machine. Because they're getting quite popular with our mates, so they might have a tap machine.
Ako. So, anyway guys, ayan nga. Dito muna kami have a drink sa pub. Malapit sa school ni Georgie.
See, if
Kasi ang init.
look at me. If I'd have said, let's go and have a drink at the pub, she'd have said, no, let's not drink. But because she's decided we're going to a pub, we'll
Taking
figure out
advantage.
one.
You're taking advantage because I offer you.
Yeah, but normally you would say no. No, you drink too much.
Yeah. And also, you're the one who paid, so I don't mind.
You're only showing the top of my head, by the way.
Sarap nito. Sunday. Manamis-namis.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
Foster shine.
Nice.
But the ones in the tin. The video.
Tingnan yung mukha ni Mr. Sumasayaw-sayaw ako eh. That's it. Okay, so let's go na guys. Punta na tayo sa school ni Georgie kasi meron silang summer fair. Ang super init, nakalimutan namin magdala ng sombrero. Plus, naiihi ako ay naku. Sana hindi kami magtagal. Georgie, cheers! You're wet now. Oh, rubbish. You need to hit the number, no?
Georgie, whatever you enjoy. That was better. Is this a proper football?
Huh?
And I'm in my vest. I just came back from school. I soaked my teacher, Mr. Lambert, and he soaked me. So I got soaking wet and I got changed into my vest. I took off my t-shirt, put on my vest.
Yeah, so we're going home na guys kasi it's too hot to stay sa summer fair. Sobrang init talaga.
Oh, just to mention, when I soaked my teacher, it was part of the summer fair. The Sunday's summer fair.
Tapos, si Georgie, dahil sa sobrang init, she feels sick and she needs to go to the toilet. She get tummy ache.
I got a prize, which was bubbles, but the reason why I got bubbles was I was too sicky and I felt I had a very bad tummy ache that really hurt me, so I just couldn't pick. So I did actually get the thing that I really wanted. It's
Yeah.
just the thing that I randomly picked because
You're rushing now because you got tummy ache. So anyway guys, yan na po ang ating video for today, no? Thanks for watching.
I didn't get the thing